Morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Do you think I've got like a new haircut every day? It's just sort of how I get up. One day I'll get to the barbers. Anyway, so what we're doing today, we're doing Raining in My Heart. Buddy Holly did it in 1958. And it's got your C, your F, your G7. It's even got a C7, one in the corner. And it's got a couple that look hard. C org, which is actually C, and then I put my thumb there, so I've got my C and my thumb in the corner, and then it says A minor stroke C. That's just you move your thumb up, so you got, then it goes to one in the corner. Okay, so it's not difficult. So all the chords and that and all the words are all below the video where it says show more. So let's see if we can get through it. The sun is out, the sky is blue, there's not a cloud to spoil the view, but it's raining, raining in my heart. The weatherman says it's clear today, but he doesn't know you've gone away and it's raining, raining in my heart. Oh, misery, misery, what's gonna become of me? I tell my blues they mustn't show, but soon these tears are bound to flow, 'cause it's raining, raining in my heart. It's raining, raining in my heart. Yeah, it's raining, raining in my heart. Oh, misery, misery, what's gonna become of me? I tell my blues they mustn't show, but soon these tears are bound to flow, 'cause it's raining, raining in my heart. Because it's raining, raining in my heart. Because it's raining, raining in my heart. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye.